So here is the package I got. I ordered some items from Temu.com, and these are under $5. And let's check the quality. People say the quality are good, some are not good, but I brought it, and here it is. And I'm going to open the products. Three or four items I think I ordered. So this is the first one. It's kind of difficult to open. Maybe I can open it later, but the next one, let's check it out. What is this? Oh, this is the creative LED noteboard with USB message board and pen. So it's a perfect gift for your girlfriend or anyone. Look at the packaging, it's so good, and it's $4.98. The original price was $11.49, but there was a sale. And look at this, the pen. I'll be showing you how to use this. Let me open it. And this is the stand, the LED stand where you keep the noteboard. This is a noteboard, and the USB and all the items, the parts. So what you do is plug in this USB to your computer or your USB socket, and let's see, and it's pretty lightweight, and you see there's a sticker on the top. I think I need to remove that, but it looks quite lightweight and simple. So that's the wire there. I think it's about 1 feet or 2 feet, good enough, but not very long. But you have to assemble it pretty quick. That's it. It's ready to use, and let's see how it looks. So here we are. Like I said, you have to remove the sticker that comes. So carefully remove it and pop it in, and throw the sticker. You no longer need it, so remove it carefully, and then it's ready to use. Just plug it into the USB of your laptop. For example, you see the LED light, and you keep the noteboard, and then open the pen, and the pen comes with a simple small sketch pen, and you remove it, open it, and start scribbling, writing whatever you want, and it's pretty good. I can see what I have written here. I don't know what to write, so I'm scribbling something, but it's pretty clear. And here is the eraser. It's pretty. You have to apply a little bit of pressure, but it came off pretty quickly and neatly. It took a few seconds to rub it off, but it was not that hard. And you can erase it and use it, write another message. And I'm also thinking of using this as a night lamp. So it's a cute little pen, and I like it. So check out the link in the description, and let's go on to the next product, the item that I ordered. And this one is a flower. It's made of ceramic. It's artificial leaf stems. I mean, the flower, it's a ceramic, and yep, it looks artificial indeed. And it comes in this bunch. We got one here, and there is another one. 4 bunches. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's pretty good. So that's about that item. It looks good, no damage there. And let's look at the boxes. They're pretty good. They are packaged pretty well, and let's see what is inside that. And remember, these items are only $5, $6, $4. Huge discount. So check out the links for these products in the description and in the pinned comment in this video. So let's see what is inside. Oh, I remember what is that. That's this white ceramic flower vase. It's not exactly white, but it's ceramic and it looks very cute. I love it. And yeah, so let's remove the cover. The packaging, pretty good packaging. It didn't break. No scratches, no dents. I like it. It's pretty rough when you touch it and it looks good. I love the shape, the work, and that's it. You put it there and then you put this artificial stems there and you got a beautiful vase and a good showcase on the shelf. So let's look at the other item. This looks pretty fragile looking at the packaging done carefully. By the way, these products are, the links are there in the description and check it out. And I also leave a coupon code that will give you an additional 50% off. So let's open this. I didn't really have the patience to open it properly, so let me just crack it, just pull it. There's another box, another layer to open. Good packaging, by the way. Let's see, the item is intact. This is another one. What is this? This is another ceramic product that I ordered, the flower vase. It's a very good home decor. That looks pretty good. The packaging, no breakage, no scratches, just the way safely it came. And you need to put something into this vase, which is where the artificial eucalyptus leaf stems. It's wrapped nicely, and let's open it. These are fake green leaf branches, as you know, and they look pretty neat, and they have these white seeds. Greenery plant, eucalyptus leaves. Home room, you can keep it in home room, garden decoration. Cool. Look at that. Just drop it in and you have a beautiful display, a decorated display. And that's it. I would say this product is looking good already, and I'm gonna keep it on in my home room. You can keep it in a garden, decorate anywhere you want. So this is a hot item, guys. So the link is in the description again, and you should check out these products. I can't believe these products came safely and within 4 or 5 days, maybe. Not a bad shipping time. And all these products are $4, $5, $6. So enjoy. Check out the links in the description, and again, explore Temu, and thank you for watching the video.